Joyeux anniversaire.
T'as pas un briquet?
Non, j'ai pas de briquet là. Joyeux anniversaire. Souffle.
Hooked from Notion is the Romaniacs winning song, so I pulled that out today. Let's see what it does. Good morning in the morning. Stage 9, early start, but we got the road book yesterday, so not so early actually. And now I'm sitting here and I have 25 minutes to go. So I don't know, maybe we have some cards, we can play some cards. Will be a good one. 426 kilometers, starting 6th position. Perfect spot to make up my deficit for which I called yesterday with my little hard enduro loop. Yeah, it will be a good day. Second last big day, so yeah, the race is fully open. So we will try our best and enjoy riding this beauty. And yeah. See you in the finish.
Au début, c'était contourner les dunes sur un chemin accessible en 4x4.
Ouais, non, mais on suit la même piste pendant 100 bornes. Après, on fait un peu de dunes. Et après, ça va. Si c'est sablonneux, je peux essayer de te rattraper pour pas qu'on passe une journée de merde à deux.
Parce que tu penses que Marini revient pas?
Mais non, Marini, il part 6 minutes derrière moi.
Pourquoi?
Parce que Cerruti, il a demandé à se faire recréditer 40 secondes parce que son Stella, il s'est arrêté de marcher. Du coup, pour 4 secondes, il fait devant Marini. Du coup, eux, ils vont rouler à deux pour nous rattraper.
C'est tranquille.
Jour de deuil aujourd'hui, je me suis rendu compte que j'ai perdu mon téléphone ce matin. Avec mes rushs dedans.
Wow, what a day! Was probably my favorite special stage so far. It's really hot here. We are now south of Nouakchott, so now it's like 35 degrees. But it felt so good on the bike. It was very fast, and the dunes were again very soft. Then a lot of sandy pistes with a lot of turns where I struggled yesterday. And Gauthier told me some riding technique, what he does, because we have the same chassis, so I tried to adapt it and it worked really well. We changed some setup on the bike also, very small change, back in the other direction where I felt comfortable before, and was really the dream today. I rode really good. I made a small navigation error, but it cost me only, I did a kilometer more, so it was really not that bad. And then flat out to the finish, so many cool sand pistes, and yeah, just pure joy today. Arrived second on the day, so yeah, tomorrow the last big one. We have to keep it together, and yeah, really happy with today.
Est-ce que tu connais la définition de la farine? Non. Eh ben, c'est les dunes qu'on a essayé de passer. C'est de la farine. C'est pas des sables, c'est pas du sable. C'est bien voir. C'est bien voir. C'est pas du sable, c'est pas des dunes, c'est de la farine.
C'est la farine, mais.
C'est de la farine. Je veux dire, tu montes dessus, la moto elle fait comme ça, tu bouges pas. Attends.
Ah, je serai là-bas, non.
So the day was okay. Not too much work today because T7 are really young, and just a little check of the bike, brake, air filter, air skin, navigation, rims, tires. So that's okay. Pilots are good and manage the bike, so all is okay.